Subscribe our channel Al Sayyid Quran Academy and press the bell icon. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Qari Abu Sa'id from Al Sayyid Quran Academy. Today inshallah we are going to start the second lesson from page number 3. So before starting the video, if you or any of your family members are interested to learn Quran online, the number that is visible on the screen, you can contact us through WhatsApp. So without wasting time, we start our lesson. First, I request you, if you didn't watch the previous topic, the previous lesson, lesson number first, but you must watch lesson first, because lesson first is the basic. If you don't know, if you do not learn this lesson, but you can understand lesson number 2. Okay, let's start. Takhti number 2, it means lesson number 2, and murakkabat. Murakkabat means join letters. When 2 and 3 letters come together, it means murakkabat. Murakkabat is a plural form of murakkab. Okay, murakkab is a singular and murakkabat is a plural. Look at the example. Here is a 2 words lam alif, and look at here is 3 words ba lam ba, joining together words. Okay, that's why we call it murakkabat. In this lesson, we must read every word individually, like the first lesson. Okay, in the previous lesson, we read one word, and here we also read one word, means every single word individually. Okay, remember this thing. This is an important thing. Whenever 2 words come together, in means join words come together, then directly its shape get changed. Okay, for example, look at the example here. This word is lam alif. Okay, basically lam is, this is a full form. Okay, but here look, this is lam and this is alif. But I tell you, whenever the join words come together, then directly its shape get changed. Then we write the every word in not in a full shape, okay, in a half shape. For example, look at the second example. This is basically ba. Here, this is ba, and the second word is alif. But look at here, this is not the full shape of ba. This is a full shape. Okay, look at this is ba. But whenever we join with another word, this ba, but directly we write the half shape. Look at the next example. This is also ba. Look at here, this is a half shape. Okay, but I hope inshallah you understand well. Okay, let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف ألف لام ألف لام ألف لام ألف. This is also lam, and this, the red color one, is alif. Okay, ba alif ba alif lam alif. This is also lam alif. Lam alif. But keep in your mind these shapes. Okay, lam lam alif lam alif lam ha lam ha. Look at here, this is the half shape of lam. This is a full shape, and look at here, this is a half shape. Okay, lam alif, lam alif, ba lam ba, ba lam ba. Look at the below of this letter we have one dot, that's why we call it ba. Okay, I told you, if you remember in the previous lesson. Ba lam ba, kaf. We have two kind of kaf. Okay, the first one is kaf, which we read in a heavy sound, in bold sound. Okay, this is whenever we read this one, we read in a heavy and bold sound. Okay, the next kaf, which pronunciation is a light sound. Okay, this is, but then we have two kind of kaf. Okay, this is also kaf, and this is also kaf. Remember this thing. Okay, kaf, kaf. And remember another thing, right now we read kaf, kaf, but here we do practice of kaf. Okay, look at here, this is also kaf, this is also kaf, 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 kaf. We do practice from here to there. Okay, kaf ba, kaf ba. This kaf, okay, look at here, especially this kaf. Okay, the second one is kaf ba. This is also kaf, but this one. Okay, kaf ba, kaf alif, kaf alif, kaf alif, ba kaf ta, ba kaf ta, ta kaf tha, ta kaf tha. Okay, this is tha because we have two dots at the top, and this is tha because it has three dots at the top. Ba, ta, tha, noon, ya. Look at here, we read ba, ta, tha from here, but now we have these words are individual. Okay, now in a joint word we are going to practice on this word. Okay, look at, this is ba, this is noon, this is ta, this is ya, but with alif. Okay, ba alif, noon alif, ta alif, ya alif, fa alif. But again, here just they change the alif. Okay, here just they have written with ba, just seen, but there was alif with ba, with noon alif, but here is just ba, seen. Basin, Yasin. This is ya because we have two dots at the below. Okay, under the later we have two dots, that's why we call ya. Noon sin, ta sin, fa sin, fa jim. This is tha and this is jim because it has three dots. Ta ha, ta ha. Page number 4. Noon kha, Noon, kha. These words are little difficult, but you can get help from here side. Okay, is they have written noon. Look it, ta, ya. Little difficult. Okay, not much difficult. Ya, ha, ya, ha. Ba, jim, ba, jim. Ya, mim, ba, mim. Noon, mim, ta, mim, fa, mim, ba, ya, ya, ya. Noon, ya, ta, ya, fa, ya. Noon, ba, lam, ta, noon, lam. Ba, ya, lam, ya, ta, lam. Fa, tha, lam. Noon, ba, noon. Ba, noon, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ya, ta, noon. Fa, tha, noon. Jim, ha, kha, ha, tha, kha, ba. Jim, ta, ta, ha, ta. Ya, jim, ba, ba, kha, ta, ta, ha. Please remember one thing, whenever we have this shape, round shape, on this shape we have two dots, then we call it tha, okay? If we don't have two dots at the top of this shape, then we call ha. But look at here, here is two dots at the top of this letter, we call it tha. And this letter doesn't have any dot, we call it ha, okay? Ba, ta, ya, ha, ta, ha. This is also ha, okay? Remember, the ha has many shapes, okay? But remember this thing. Look at here. This is also ha. This is also ha. And this is also ha. And this word is also ha. And this is also ha. And this is also ha. Look at here. We have many shapes. But you must remember these all shapes in your mind. Ta, ha. Noon, ta, ha, ya, ha, ba, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, mim, dal, dhal, jim, dal, kha, dhal, ra, za, jim, ra, kha, za. Page number 5. Ra, za, ya, ra, ta, za, sin, shin, sin, lam, Sheen, Lam, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Sad, Ba, Ta, Ba, Dad, Alif. We must read this word Dad, okay? We can read Zod. Because Zod is incorrect, we must read Dad in every time, okay? Za, Alif, Ain, Ghain, Hamza, Ain, Za. Remember, this is Ain, okay? We can read Hamza because Hamza is always alone. Hamza can't join another letter, okay? This comes always alone. But this is Ain, okay? Ain, Za, Ghain, Ra, Sad, Ain, Dad, Ghain, Ba, Ain, Dal, Ta, Ghain, Dal, Hamza, Alif, Hamza, Waw, Hamza, Ya, Fa, Qaf, Waw, Qaf, Waw, Fa, Waw, Fa, Qaf, Lam, Qaf, Fa, Lam, Ya, Fa, Mim, Mim, Ha, Mim, Lam, Mim, Ta, Mim, Ta, Mim, Ta. I hope inshallah you understand well. But at the end of this lecture and this lesson, I'm going to ask you some question related with this lesson, but you must give me the answer in a comment box, okay? The first question is that what is the murakabat meaning, okay? What does it mean? And the second question is that how we can read hurufi murakabat individually or with connect or join words.